You guys are so clumsy. I feel like every time I record, do I make you nervous? For those of you that are new here, my name is Juanita, and for those of you that are returning, welcome back, gang. Coming back at you with another video. Today I got this cute ass hairstyle. I've been super bored with my hair lately. As you know, if you follow me on Instagram or you've been watching my videos, you know I do box braids a lot. I've been doing box braids, tired of box braids. This is pretty cute and simple. I can just pop it in, take it out when I want to, and it's something different than box braids. So let me know if you guys like this, if you like this look. I even show you guys how I lay my edges and a little trick that I do to get them to stay down or keep their shape in this hot ass weather. So make sure you watch the end for that. And yeah, let me know if you guys like this hairstyle, if you try it out. Take a picture, tag me on Instagram, follow me on the gram while you're at it at BAYBFASE. And let's get into this video. Hey guys, if you like how I got this look, stay tuned because I'm about to show you how I got it. But be warned because this is about to look like a whole troll in like the next few clips. Yikes. But you're gonna need a toothbrush, you know, the Denman brush, the regular Zegula, duh, and a comb, water, some weave. But make sure it's attached to hair ties so you can wrap it around your two little ponytails. Now you're just gonna part the hair. It's pretty self-explanatory what I'm about to do. And then in the next clip, I'm gonna be slicking my hair down, and I'm just gonna let it play before I have to sleep.
Hey, is that foreign? Period.
So how I attach this hair is pretty simple. It's kind of just like adding hair to a regular box braid, just a bigger section. I wasn't really worried about covering the hair tie because the braid fits so naturally. But if you do have a bump, just put like a scrunchie over it or finesse it the way you can. But this is just the way that works for me. Now I'm just doing the same thing on the other side, and don't mind the white. I left conditioner in my hair, and now I'm putting gel on top, so you know what it's doing, the regular curdling, but it evaporates, it dries up, it's whatever. But yeah, I'm just repeating the same thing on this side. My hair is really short, so my curls kind of stick out of the braiding hair, and I just chopped it so it's really blunt and hard to tuck, but I kind of put gel over it and try to paste it down as much as I can. But if your hair is longer or grown out or your ends are not as blunt, you won't have this problem. Now, my favorite part, edges. Edges is an art. Like, you have to express yourself through your edges, show how you feel through your edges. If you're feeling sassy, do some curvy, swirly, extra edges in your face. If you're feeling a little timid and quiet, maybe do some laid back edges. We call them LMI edges. Those are boring edges. I will call myself the Bob Ross of edges. If you need to know anything about edges, come to me. Now this trick that I do, like especially when it's hot outside, is I take out to be glued and I take a little dab of it and I put it in the palm of my hand and I dip my pointer finger in it and I I kind of like put a layer of it over the edges, so like if it, by the time like I sweat, it'll be kind of hardened and stuck and dried with such a cast that it'll keep its shape, at least if it does lift up from my head, and it won't completely curl up. And if it does curl up, like if it's super hot and humid, I'll have at least good 3 edges left. Well guys, I hope you guys like this video. I'm in a rush. I have to go to the doctor's office, so I'm gonna have to run out the door and go do that. But make sure you give this video a fat thumbs up if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, share this video, comment if you watched to the end. Comment your favorite ice cream flavor. Comment your favorite ice cream flavor if you watched to the end. And I'll see you guys in my next video.